In front of me is cat B35, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing Privacy and Security. Following that, tap on Screen Lock right away. Click Screen Lock again and make sure that it's on. Now you need to create a passcode and confirm it. When you finished, click Create. So now when I block my device and then try to unlock it, I can see that 4-digit code is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!